So today I'm going to show you how to check your mouse DPI in Windows 10 or Windows 11. It's simple and accurate method, so to get started, understanding mouse DPI is essential for tailoring your sensitivity, especially for gaming or productivity. First, we need to disable mouse acceleration. Go to the search bar beside the Windows logo and type mouse settings. On the right side, you'll see related settings. Under that, click additional mouse options. A small window will pop up. From here, select the pointer options tab, then turn off enhance pointer precision and click apply to save all of the changes. This disable acceleration so you can measure your real DPI. Next, open any browser and search for DPI Analyzer. Once the website is open, scroll down until you see a ruler. Below the DPI Analyzer tool, under DPI Analyzer, set the target distance to 1. This means we will move the mouse exactly 1 inch across your mousepad. Make sure you have a ruler with you and place it next to your mouse. Then, simply click on the red circle and move your mouse exactly 1 inch. After that, the website will show you your actual mouse DPI. And that's it. Now you know how accurate to check your mouse DPI on Windows 11 or Windows 10.